Well, I'm almost through sculpting back the actual scale height of the turkey legs back on this turkey that I'm doing for this customer. So, hadn't been easy. It's taken me several hours to do, and then now painting it and doing some detail work on it. So it's turned out pretty good. It looks like turkey feet. So you've got the scaling that I've tried to mock, and it's going to work out pretty good for him. It's going to kind of restore his turkey. It's going to look a lot better when he's hanging it in his house, and then I'm going to put a beard on it, another beard here for his double beard, because he said he had about 2 8-inch beards on this turkey here, which is a trophy of a lifetime. I mean, a lot of people don't kill two bearded turkeys. So anyway, it's turned out pretty good. I hope y'all like it. Hit thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel if you get a chance, please. Thank you.